Are you planning a trip to Gardaland? When is the best time? Where to stay? How to get there? Let's find it out. Gardaland has got lots of events. The main season starts in April and ends at the end of September. Usually they got two different opening hours, peak season and off-peak season. In off-peak season, it's gonna be in between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m., while during peak season it can be open until 11 p.m. or midnight. There are then special events such as Oktoberfest, Halloween, and Christmas, in which the park is going to be open during holidays or during weekends only, with extended opening hours. Remember, schools in Italy are closed from mid-June till mid-September, and the park is close to Germany and Eastern Europe, so be aware of their holidays too. The best time to visit is spring, after Easter and whilst schools are still open. This is off-peak season, and despite the park not being open long hours, usually the crowd level is close to nothing. If it's your first time at Gardaland, I strongly recommend 2 days in the park. In terms of tickets, 1 day it's 44 euros, 2 days 52, but you can go for a basic annual pass for 60 euros, which most of the times is on sale at 55. The annual pass doesn't work on peak season and on weekends, but you don't want to go there on those days. Comes with 20% discount on selected restaurants, so no brainer, it's a winner. The closest city is Verona, and you can get there by train or by plane. If you're using high-speed train, which are really popular in Italy, they usually stop in Peschiera, which is a little station close to the park. From there, you can get a free shuttle bus to Gardaland, and if you're traveling by train, you're gonna have a free luggage storage at the park, which is a promotion that is not written anywhere, but it does exist. Gardaland offers a hotel as well, but I'm not recommending that to you because the hotels are not close to the park and they are in the middle of nowhere. You probably don't wanna leave the park at 5 and be in the middle of nowhere with nothing to do. I suggest to use Verona, which is well connected to the park and is worth a visit. In Verona, I suggest to find an accommodation closer to the main train station. Okay, it's not so romantic, but from there you can catch a bus that goes to Gardaland, as well as the shuttle bus that goes to the airport. And at the end of the day, you are around 10 minutes walking from Verona city center, so not far away. Another tip, you can buy touristic bus passes for 1 day, 3 days or 1 week. Yes, they don't know how to spell daily. And this is gonna cover all the buses that go around the lake, so including Gardaland as a destination, and the shuttle bus to the airport. Given the price, it's a bargain. If you're based in Verona, after visiting the park every day, you can visit the city, which is really nice, lovely city center, the Juliet balcony, amazing food, and look how much the wine costs there. Yeah, it's worth a visit. Just one note, the typical dish is horse meat, and especially for UK viewers, just be aware of that. Personally, I would like to flag Stravagante Hostel. It's called hostel, but it's actually an hotel. It's got double and triple private rooms with an ensuite bathroom. It's got a caravan park and a restaurant on top of hostel accommodation. It's strategically located close to the station and really affordable and really nice and clean rooms. But the reason why I'm flagging this is because it's a social project with the aim of offering job opportunities to people with disabilities. I found it really touching and I think it deserves our support if possible. I hope you found this video interesting. Enjoy your stay in Gardaland and please subscribe.